Hey everybody, this is a real quick video to show you how to replace the batteries in your Blink XT2 camera. It's very simple to do and it requires no tools. So we'll go ahead and get started. All you really need is the batteries, which you're going to need 2 AA batteries. If you don't have them, I'll put a link in the description to where you can get some cheap batteries. But anyways, so you're going to just take your camera and this button in the middle with the arrow on it, arrow, you want to have that pointing down, and you're just kind of come in there and put your thumb on the bottom of the camera and kind of press and pull down on that gray button in the middle. And that will release the bottom of the camera. And so from there, you're kind of use your thumb on the bottom to pull it open. And once you get it pulled open, that will expose the battery area. So you're going to pop the old AA batteries out, put the new AA batteries in, obviously putting the flat end of the battery on the spring side of the case. And then you will just kind of do the opposite and pop the case back on, and your batteries have been replaced. Thanks a lot for watching.